Alright guys, we're here at Horece Mann Highschool, abandoned building.
And it closed in 2006, and our internet's not working right now, so I don't know when it opened.
Oh,
but let's explore it.
It's true.
Let's explore.
Let's get it, man. Let's go.
Let's get it.
What's up, guys? We got the man, Rod. Where the man Rod at?
Yo.
We got Rod.
Yo.
We got Rube Explorers.
Yo.
We're gonna get this exploration.
My shirt's so damp.
We got wet from the, we just came here from the last video. Now we go.
Oh, it's gonna be like 3 floors probably.
You think so?
School.
Like the other school?
Yeah, it's like 3 floors.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that is nice.
The graffiti on the wall does look nice. That's a nice picture. Let me get a picture here.
These lockers are, they kind of cold here. I'm not like for
This does look really cool.
Oh, shoot, too.
This is really nice.
Look.
Yo,
Yeah, it's nice.
we hit the jackpot.
Yeah, that's pretty professional. Cause it is, guys. Cause it is.
It's really cool. It's cool graffiti everywhere. Keep coming over here. Yo, this looks nice.
They take a whole bunch of pictures. Oh yeah.
Oh, it is. I guess those guys probably just.
At the what's it
Oh,
called?
that's their.
That's their signature, huh?
That poetry by boot bots.
There's a classroom.
You should search for those.
I feel the breeze in here.
And the antenna, we found our way back to my cell. I
Yeah,
can't
they're
imagine
everywhere.
it more beautiful ending to us than that.
That is cool.
It's your busting.
Are you
I'm
gonna
a
steal
poet.
that? Are you gonna
I'm a
steal
poet.
that? You gonna steal that?
I'm not gonna say anything because I'm a poet. That came off the dome.
That's not
I
even
wrote
yours.
that. I wrote that.
It's literally on the wall. It's our first time
I
here.
wrote that. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
What you doing out here, man?
What's up, man?
What you doing out here?
Gotta fly the drone, you know what I'm
Sorry,
saying?
John.
Gotta take
Let's
some
take a
flight.
quick look out here.
You hear that?
Yeah. No.
To be honest with
Isn't this just the second floor?
you, I think so.
And we still got the first floor to finish.
Damn.
And then the third
It's gonna be a
floor.
long video.
Yeah.
Cause I seen a video where like it has like a big, I think it's a theater.
Oh yeah, there's a theater too. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
It's like a really big theater.
Oh, that's gonna be nice for pictures too.
Yeah.
But it might be dark in there because you know, like it's like no windows usually.
No, but it was open.
Hurry up.
What?
Because it's gonna get dark in like an hour or two.
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to do the drone first.
But look, it's completely destroyed. There's no nothing here. That's the stars. Keep going. Look. Damn.
Yeah, there's nothing. No, there's a toilet. You take a poop. Take a poop.
Oh, snap.
What?
Look at this.
That's nice. Picture time?
What?
Picture time?
Picture time. Alright, get in there. Let's go. You're gonna ruin the shot.
I am free now. You know what's crazy though? Like an artist came here after it was
I'm
closed
pretty sure
down,
they did.
and they came in here when it was abandoned and did this. That's cool.
Bro, you gotta see this.
Like it's solid ground and stuff.
We gotta hurry up a little bit. Part 2. 2 parts. 20 minutes each.
Okay.
Let's not edit like flight.
Right.
Like flight. You guys gonna edit
Wait.
videos?
Call him out right now.
FTC, if you're looking at this video right now, I'm gonna play 1-on-1. That's the word. One of the best in Rockford. The best in Illinois. Better than Derrick Rose, better than anyone else. Yo, bum, just like Cash Nasty.
Oh, you call them both out.
You see money. They're too small. You're too small.
You too big?
I'm too big.
What's that
So he
noise?
doesn't want to go higher.
We can go to a different
Yeah, we could go
spot.
higher, yeah.
What's that noise?
I keep telling you.
We're next to a hospital. That's not good.
What
That's
is
a little
that?
Scary.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
You heard that?
Yeah.
We should have done more research. What's this bitch onto?
No, it's not.
Even though I don't believe it.
There's probably some shady stuff going on here. What is that? It sounds like a machine, right?
There's probably some here.
That's a machine, bro.
Yeah, it's a machine. And it just closed down like 10 years ago.
Yeah, it's been 14 years since it closed down.
Let's just keep going.
It's a little scary. Not gonna lie.
It sounds like it's coming from like it's just vibrating us.
Get out of here.
I'm kind of spooked.
There's a lot of rooms. Pretty big school. Is that upstairs? Yep.
Look at this. This time.
Yo, Rue.
What?
There's someone there.
How you know?
Because I saw someone move.
You're up?
I swear I did, bro. My phone's. I think something's calling me. Yeah. Low key. Yeah, I'm right here. Alright, guys. We're not sure what that noise was, but might as well enjoy the view. Alright.
You just ignore it. That's probably just an animal, right? No.
Honestly, I think.
Which way you want to go? That way?
Do you think Jefferson would look cool if it was abandoned?
No,
No.
not this cool.
Nah, that's a good view. I mean, when you think about it, this theater is wider than. Wait, I don't know.
It's pretty big. What are all these things over here? Yeah, I'm forgetting to get cinematics.
We should.
I'm forgetting. I gotta go all the way up there. I'm trying to fly, but I can't. Was that you? Yo, there's someone here breaking shit. There's someone here breaking shit. Huh?
You saw them breaking stuff?
No, like, bro, you can hear that shit. Bro, you can hear that shit.